Okay, my name is Jemima Emmabat, and I'm your principal, and I'm a teacher in here. In here. Tagal-tagal naman sagot Abad! Abad!
What?
Not you. Abad. Abad!
Oh,
Say present.
present.
Abad?
Present.
Raise your hand.
Present.
Okay. Again. Abad.
Present.
Biskara.
Absent.
Kanino ba yung cellphone? Ha? Babatuin ko yan eh. Dapat wala ako makikita sa lamesa.
Ma'am, question.
Ano?
Why aren't you speaking in English, ma'am?
Kasi,
No, ma'am, you have to
papractice lang
speak.
ako.
No, ma'am, you have to speak English.
Okay. I tried. So, Abad, again?
Present. Ma'am, another question, ma'am.
What?
Is about your favorite student?
Yes, because
But that's
Biskara
unfair.
is absent. What?
Nothing, ma'am.
What's funny? Okay. I'm nosebleed. Can I speak in Tagalog?
No, ma'am, that's unfair.
I'm your principal.
Principal, I thought, ma'am, you're my teacher.
Yeah, I know. I'm talking about half principal, half teacher. And
Ah.
I'm half Filipino, half English.
Again, ma'am?
Half Filipino, half American. I'm sorry, I didn't mean. Okay. Stop selfie.
What, ma'am?
I didn't mean. Because I'm sorry. Okay. Abad again.
Present.
Your hands. Again.
Present.
Abad.
Present.
What's funny?
Nothing.
It's not a proper play.
We're not in the actual school.
What?
We're at home.
No.
So is it like this? Are we in school? No. We are here at the house.
In the house.
In the house. Malupit? Lupit na teacher?
Oh, it's 9.
Oh, ma'am.
What?
Recess na po. 9 na.
No.
Recess na po.
Today we're talking about the different Filipino.
Filipino
Okay.
ano po?
May I speak in Tagalog?
No, ma'am.
Because the lesson is Filipino.
Ang galing mong palusot.
It's Filipino. Speaking is Filipino. It's math, science, and English. Speaking English. So, sorry. I'm talking about
Di ba, mamang first
Philippine.
subject natin is English?
No. The
Filipino
schedule
is this Filipino is after recess. So let's have recess first because it's already 9 a.m.
No. It's not. It's not 9 a.m. It's 9:30 a.m. What?
So it's English, ma'am.
No, it's the schedule of the class is 7:30 to 6.
7:30 to 6?
Yes. No.
11 hours?
No. The schedule of the class is 5:30 to 6.
5:30 to 6?
Yeah. What?
So tapos na.
No.
9 o'clock na eh. Uwi na.
No.
Uwi na.
Why are you
na.
speaking English. Why are you speaking
Dismissal. Dismissal na. Dismissal na. Dismissal na. Goodbye and thank you.
Dito mo yung ilan mo. Ilis ko ang